On question number 7, they want us to graph -2 secant of pi x. The period is going to be 2 pi divided by whatever number is here, and that's pi. So the pi's actually cancel out and just leave me with 2. That doesn't happen very often, but I guess anytime you have a pi here, it's going to cancel out with the pi here. Yes, this is flipped, and it's flipped because we have a negative on the outside here. Now on the calculator, to graph this, I want to type in y1 is equal to -2 divided by cosine of pi x. And this is really because cosine and secant are reciprocals. So -2 divided by cosine of pi x. And I want to graph it from -6 to 6 and 0 to 2 pi. And my graph looks like this. And there are vertical asymptotes here. And then if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to graph the corresponding cosine function at the same time, because it's kind of interesting to look at. If you graph -2 cosine of pi x, then you'll see how it matches up. Okay, so again, you don't need to graph that cosine, but the blue here, that is our secant.